My name is Richard Brazil. When I was in the 5th grade, I took a music aptitude test, and I got a really high score, and the band director said I could choose whatever instrument I wanted. And originally I actually picked a percussion instrument. My mom didn't want me to lug around all of the equipment. And then after that I picked the trumpet, and she said, no, too many people play the trumpet. And then I picked the trombone. The band director's son also played the trombone, and she did not want me to compete with him. So, but I wanted to play in jazz band, so the last instrument was the saxophone. And then I picked it, and then I started playing it, and I immediately fell in love with it. And ever since then, I've just always been in love with playing the saxophone. So the saxophone comes in 3 major parts. There is the mouthpiece, and in the mouthpiece there is the actual hard rubber mouthpiece, and then there's a ligature, and then there's also a reed. These are my reeds, and one of them will go into the mouthpiece. And then there is the neck. This is going to be the middle joint, and it's going to connect the mouthpiece, which goes into the cork, onto the body. And over here, there's the bulk of the instrument. This is called the body, and it is where you place your fingers and where you hold it. When you're putting the instrument together for the first time, the first thing you're going to want to do is put your neck strap on. The next thing you're going to want to do is place a reed into your mouth and start to wet it. Now, the next step is to put the mouthpiece onto the neck. And before you do that, make sure that your neck is properly greased with cork grease. So, take some cork grease. Just kind of rub it around the cork. Mine smells nice. So. All right, now you can place this onto the neck. Be careful not to bend the neck either way. Now, you can place the ligature onto the mouthpiece, and then you can place the reed and put it down. Try to put the ligature on first instead of the reed, because if you put the ligature on first, then you can break the tip of the reed. And then you want to line up the reed just so that you can see the very tip of the mouthpiece just over the reed, just like a thin black line. And then you put the ligature just underneath the cut of the reed, in which there's a line in which you'll see, and then fasten the ligature. All right. Now the next step is to fasten your body to your neck strap. There should be a metal ring about halfway down the body, and you can attach the neck strap like so. Unfasten this joint right here and place the neck onto it, and line up the middle of the octave key mechanism here with this joint right here. Fasten this, you're good to go. To make an embouchure on the saxophone, you want to have a very open throat. So if you think of the vowel like ah, that produces the same kind of openness. And you would, to form an embouchure, you want to put your teeth, the top teeth, onto the mouthpiece. And then you need to curl in your lower lip so that your lip, the red part of your lip, is covering your teeth. And then you pull in your corners as if you're sucking through a straw, like, and then you blow.